Hi friends, so today we'll talk about some of the leading money manager apps, mainly MoneyView and FinArt. Let's open MoneyView. So MoneyView is based on parsing the SMS which are sent to your phone by the banks and financial institutions after each transaction. So it parses the SMS and shows the transaction list like this. Transactions are automatically categorized and there are various options if we go inside a transaction, such as splitting it with the friends. If it is a joint expense, then marking it as a loan or as a reimbursement, and so on. Apart from showing the transactions, it shows the top spend areas based on the same those transactions, and also it shows the bills, so from various service providers, SMSs, and you can also manually add as well. Then based on the ATM withdrawals, it will show the cash in hand and also the income based on the credit cards and credit transactions. So that is mostly what is the functionality of this app. And you can also set a budget. There are options such as backup and restore and so on. You can also manually add and instance and so on. Now let's take a look at the other app, which is FinArt. So FinArt comes with a nice GUI. In the bottom you will see a monthly trend of the expenses, and in the top there is a pie chart. If I click on the middle, I get the similar kind of a list of the transactions, which is again based on the SMS. Inside the transaction there is usual options, splitting into EMI, tracking as reimbursement, and so on. One thing different and good is it separately categorizes the transfers, so they are not counted as expenses, which gives a better accuracy of my expenses. Other than that, you can get a monthly trend of individual category if that interests you. Yes, two other options. One is private mode. They claim that the none of the data goes out of the phone if the private mode is turned on. If you care about privacy, this is really good. Then there is sync with family. You can sync two or more devices, backup, restore. So overall, both apps are good to manage your money, your expenses, get an understanding, and all of that is done automatically. And so you can try both and see which one fits your needs.